Okay, right. So we are going to start with further trigonometry today. Okay, and in further trigonometry, basically we are going to discuss triangles which are non-right angled triangle. Triangles which are non-right angled right angled triangle. If those triangles are to be considered, then we basically use the concept of further trigonometry. Okay, it can be acute one, it can be obtuse one. Okay, these things can be there. So, and even right angle triangle can come over here, even right angle triangle can come over here, but mostly it is about non right angle triangles. Okay, that is the first thing which you have to remember. Now when we are talking about right angle triangle, we have got ratios. Okay, we have got ratio, sine ratio, cosine ratio, tangent ratio. We have got three ratios, right? Sine is there perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos is there perpendicular over base upon hypotenuse, and tangent is there perpendicular over base. But when it comes to non-right angle triangles, we are going to talk about rules. Okay, rules, sine rule and cosine rule. Tangent rule is also there, but that is not part of your syllabus. Basically, we are just going to talk about sine rule and cosine rule. After that, we are going to talk about the application. Okay, what are the application for further trigonometry? There are two application. One is working that thing with 3D diagrams, and the second one is working that thing with bearing. Okay. Okay, when it comes to some values regarding, now I have written some values over here, and if you will find out like sign of these values, which is written over here. Okay, so I'm just going to, like, I'm not solving it, but I'm telling you that this one and these ones are same. Okay, and then this one and this one are same. Okay, and after that this one and these values are same, and then this value and this value is same, and at the last one this value and this value are same. I'm not solving anything. I haven't solved anything. I have just directly told you guys that these are the values. Which one is, this one is equals to this one is equals to this one is equals to this one. Then how I'm doing it? How do I know? Okay, so what is, all of them have got sign with them. Okay, fine, all of them have got sign. But what is the next thing? The next thing is that it's very important. See, I'm going to talk about, for instance, this one and this one. 45 plus 135. 45 plus 135, answer is coming 180. Okay, in the same way, if I'm taking this one with this one, 117 plus 63, answer is coming 180. 19 plus 161, 161 plus 19, again the answer is coming 180. Okay. So if you will compare all the pairs, I'm not going to compare all of them, but if you will compare all the pairs, the result is going to be 180. Okay. So then I can give you a statement over here. What is the statement? The statement says that two supplementary angles, sine of two supplementary angles are always equal. What are the supplementary angles? The angles which makes 180 degree when we add them. Okay, angle which makes 180 degree, when we add them, are called supplementary angle. Like angle over here, angle over here, angle over here. Okay, these are called your supplementary angles. All of them are supplementary angles. Okay, because when I add them, the result is coming 180. And if I have taken the sine of these ones, the result is coming equal. It means what? It means that we can write it in this way, that sine, for instance, if I am taking first one as A, then what will be the second one? 180 minus A. If I am saying by this one is A, and I don't know the next one, but I know that if those are supplementary angle, so I will subtract from 180. If I will subtract this one, I will this answer. In the same way, if this is my A and I'm going to subtract from 180, I'm going to subtract this thing, I will be getting this one, and this thing will continue. So sine A equals to sine 180 minus A. That's your first relation which you have to remember. Okay. Now the same relation is there with cos also. Okay. The same relation is given with cos also. Okay. Now again, if I will find, I have got these values. If I will find their values, now again I am going to tell you that these answers are coming equal. This one with this one coming equal. Only difference is there. What's the only difference? Only difference is there. This one is coming in negative. This one is coming in positive. Okay. The acute value ones are coming positive, and the obtuse value ones greater than 90 degree, they are coming negative. Other than that, they are same. Okay. So what will you say? You will write that cos of two supplementary angles, cos of two supplementary angles are equal by value, but will have different signs, okay. Means, for instance, if I am saying that I am having for instance, I am taking this one along with this one. Okay. So cos 73 is equals to cos 107, but the only problem, this one will be in minus and this one will be in plus. Okay. How can I make them same? If I will put a minus sign over here or over here, my result will become same. Okay. So always remember that for cos, the general equation will be cos A equals to cos 180 minus A. Okay. Cos A will be equals to cos 180 minus A. Difference, I will put a minus sign over here. Okay. So, and it is not necessary that minus sign should be written over here. It can be shifted over here. It doesn't make any difference. What this thing is showing, that they are same. But if one is positive, the other one will be negative. That is the only difference which is there. Okay. So we are done with sine value and we are done with cosine value. Now we will see that how it is going to help us to solve a question. Okay. Now, in the start of the topic, I have told you guys that ratios were being used when we are having right angle triangle. Okay. We can find the interior angle of a right angle triangle by ratio, sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, or we can find the unknown side of right angle triangle by using ratios, sine ratios, cosine ratio, and tan ratio. So there are two things I can find. Either the unknown side of a right angle triangle, for that I can use ratio, or I can use find the interior angle of a right angle triangle by using ratio. Okay, I have given you two relation over here. Sine A equals to sine 180 minus A. It means two supplementary angles having their sine value will be equal. Okay, cos A equals to minus cos 180 minus A. Cos of two supplementary angles will be same by value, but their signs will be different. Okay, these are the two things which I have told you right now.